It's a great color on you, Mrs. Timmer. Really brings out your eyes. Let me refill that. You can take it back to the site.
Slow down, girl. You're gonna ruin our reputation as a greasy spoon.
You gonna charge him for that?
Free refills, right?
Well, I get half your tip.
I want a pony for Christmas, but I ain't gonna get it.
Can you get your brother to hurry up? I've seen trees grow faster than he's busting that table.
You need to pick up the pace a bit.
Nobody's waiting. It's not a big deal.
It is a big deal. The boss is watching.
Otis, stop! It'll be fucking worse if I gotta get... Damn it, Otis! Stop! Hold it right there! Oh!
Guess our reputation as a shithole is still safe.
Ian, will you take your rag and wipe the blood and snot off the window? Looks like I'm gonna need a new assistant manager.